Blinking an LED using Arduino is the most basic and classic beginner project. Here's how you can do it step by step. What you need: one Arduino board like the Uno, one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, a breadboard and some jumper wires, and of course a USB cable to connect the Arduino to your PC. Circuit diagram. Connect the long leg or anode of the LED to digital pin 13 through a 220 ohm resistor. Then connect the short leg or cathode to GND or ground. Or if you're using the built-in LED on pin 13, which is pretty common on most Arduino boards, you don't need any external LED. It's all set up for you. Alright, let's dive into the Arduino code. First we have the setup function. Here we're setting pin 13 as an output with the command. Then, in the loop function we use to turn the LED on. We wait for 1 second using, and then we turn the LED off with. We wait another second before the loop repeats. And that's it. Now let's go through the steps to upload your code. First, open the Arduino IDE. Then, make sure to select the correct board and COM port under the Tools menu. Next, copy and paste the code we just discussed. Hit the upload button, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right. If everything's set up correctly, your LED should start blinking on and off every second.